Today's show is sponsored by Hoosier Hills Credit Union. Located on 960 North Gospel Street, and to contact, please call 1-800-865-2612. Open Monday through Thursday from 8:30 to 4:30, Friday from 8:30 to 6, and Saturday it's a drive-in only 8:30 to noon.
Good morning, I'm Allie, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, January 5th. Our trivia game will resume Monday, so tune in next week for the chance to win more prizes. Homecoming will be next Friday, January 12th at the game against Du Bois. Please check your email to nominate Prince and Princesses and King and Queen candidates. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. High School Student Council will be hosting a semi-formal winter dance for students in grades 9 through 12 on January 20th. Tickets are on sale in Mrs. Clark's room. It is $5 a person, and we hope to see you there. And now to Joni with your Rams Sports Report.
Hi, I'm Joni, and this is your Rams Sports Report. Last night against Perry Central, JV girls basketball won 41-18 and varsity won 60-30. Tonight, boys JV and varsity basketball is at Mitchell starting at 6. On Saturday at 9 a.m., boys wrestling is hosting a Paoli Invitational. And at 11 a.m., girls JV and varsity basketball will play Borden. Come support your Rams in action this weekend. Back to you, Allie.
Just a reminder that yearbooks are still for sale. Anyone interested in purchasing a book can still do so, but the cost is now $40. Please reserve your book today. And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thank you, Allie. As you can see here, it's going to be partly cloudy, but the sun should come out later in your day. Today's high of a 19 and a low of 1. And it should warm up during your weekend. Saturday's high of a 21 and a low of 11. And Sunday's high of a 40 and a low of 32. Back to you, Allie.
I'm Allie, and that's your PHS News Today. Have an Allie amazing day.